So most people solve this question like 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, right? Then 6 minus 7. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1, right? Now 1 times minus 1. So 1 times minus 1 is equal to also minus 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So now 7 minus, now 6 times 6 is equal to 36 minus 7. Now here we have subtraction and here subtraction, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 7 minus 36 is equal to minus 29 minus 7. So minus 29 minus 7 is equal to minus 36, right? So the correct answer is minus 36. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.